G'day Australia, Coram from AudioCom here. As you may know, in Western Australia there's about to be a change in legislation that requires pilot vehicles to be able to record up to 30 days of footage of their pilot activities for auditing requirements for the WA state roads. Now, we've put together a very unique package just specifically for pilot vehicles in Western Australia that allows you to have a set and forget DVR recording system in the pilot vehicle that will let you record 30 days of 1080p high definition footage to comply with these new rules. This is a little bit of a unique system. There are some large capacity systems out there, but very few that record in the required 1080p resolution. The way that this system is able to do that, which sets it apart from others, is due to some very, very clever compression technology in the hard drive when it's compressing this recorded media and storing it internally. So what this translates to in our product packages is we have two available, either a 400-hour recording package, which will do up to 8 hours a day, 30 days back to back. If you're driving more than 400 hours in a month and need to record more footage than that over a 30-day period, we have an 800-hour package, which allows for much bigger recording time, obviously. And that should cover all pilot vehicles out there. 800 hours in a 30-day period is enough to get you covered. Now, this is a very unique package that not only just records the required forward view for pilot vehicles, but the interface and hard drive actually has 3 other camera inputs and a video monitor output. So we can use this same package and expand on it again to add blind spot cameras to the sides of the vehicle, as well as a reversing camera, and have those displayed at all times on a quad display screen. So you're able to see a 360 view around the vehicle for safety, as well as recording all of those channels too. So we can build up a few different packages for your vehicle, whether it's a pilot vehicle, or we also use this package sometimes on other heavy vehicles as well. This is also a fantastic package that we use on taxis and ride shares and a few different vehicles like that. So if you're a pilot vehicle operator and you need to comply with the new rules that are rolling out in WA very, very soon, this is the package for you. It's very well priced. It meets all minimum requirements set by WA roads, and we have them available in store for install, or we can supply you a DIY package at AudioCom stores in Western Australia. Get on over and have a look at audiocom.net.au for a full compliance document issued by Main Roads WA for more details, and contact us at any of the stores to book your installation.